guys, today we'll be talking to you guys, so let's dive into my story. Hello guys, I'm Strawy. I'm Sabrina's new OC. So we got to tell as answer a story. So her crush was called her K, and her boy best friend was called her B, and her girl best friend was called her Z. So B called her while she was doing schoolwork, and then she said what? And then his K was covering B's mouth. So when Sabrina asked her today, this is happened yesterday, and said like we were playing truth or dare, and I asked Kay who his crush is, and she pointed at you and said S. And when you looked around, put his finger back. But this is a huge problem. Two boys like me. One is L. Let's call his L because that's his initial. And then she found out that they were cousins. Two boys are fighting over her, and they're cousins. She only likes one. She only likes K. So basically, they like each other now. What should she do?
Not L. L is his initial, the other one. The one who likes me. So, bye-bye. Bye-bye, SM.